All right, let's go into this gochujang honey chicken we did in the open kitchen. There's the chicken ingredients, so take a screenshot if you want it. Get yourself all prepped and ready to go. So I'm going to take my chicken thighs and I'm going to be doing bite-sized chunks. I'm going to add some rice flour, cornstarch, and some garlic powder to this, and then an egg and some soda water to add a little bit of bubbles to this to make it nice and airy. I'm going to mix it up and let it sit for about 10 minutes. While it's sitting, let's work on that sauce. So I'm going to start off with some garlic that I'm going to be mincing up very fine, and then in a pot I'm going to be adding some gochujang. I'm going to add some honey to that, as well as some soy sauce. After I add that soy sauce, I'm going to add in that garlic that I minced up, as well as some sesame seeds. I'm going to give it a stir, and I am going to leave that on a medium heat so that it bubbles up so it's all ready. Now, what I'm going to do after that is I'm going to fry my chicken. So I'm going to put that in the oil, and I'm going to fry it till it is crisp. I'm going to remove it from the oil, and then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a second fry. But let's get that sauce ready first. Put it in the bowl. Now add that second fry nice and hot. It's going to be super golden. And I'm going to take that chicken, put it in that bowl, toss it together. And I'm telling you, this is probably one of the best chicken dishes I have ever had. You got to try it.